Do you read a newspaper or follow the news online?
Do you watch the news on TV or listen to it on the radio?
Do you enjoy using social media to see what people are talking about and to give your opinion?
Do you ever wonder who created the news stories you see and hear?
If you are an English language learner and you answered yes to any of these questions, then this 5-week course is for you.
English for Media Literacy will help you improve your language skills and your knowledge of the media and media literacy at the same time.
This course will help you feel more confident about your English and your understanding of the role of the media in your daily life.
This course is designed for high beginner to low intermediate English language learners and does not require any background in media literacy. Language teaching, readings, games, and assessments are adapted to your level. If you have a higher English level, there will be some more challenging assignments for you too.
This course consists of 5 units. First, we will define media and media literacy. Then we will talk about the difference between traditional media and social media. Next, we will look at the advertisements in the media, or how people try to sell products using the media. We will follow that unit with one that looks at bias in the media. Lastly, we'll look at diversity in the media. How are different groups of people shown in the media?
So please join us on this unique journey through language and media literacy. The lessons may be challenging at times, but we've included some interactive games to help support your learning. You can also find supportive friends as you connect with classmates around the world in your Coursera community.
My name is Ian Nichols, and I have a BA in English Literature and a Master's in English Literature with a graduate certificate in TESOL. I'm a language specialist at the English language programs at the University of Pennsylvania.
And my name is Lauren Fiore. I also have a Master's in TESOL. My undergraduate degree is in History and Education. At the University of Pennsylvania, I work as the advising specialist in the English language programs.
We will be your instructors for this course. We've taught classes on English for News. We really enjoy discussing and analyzing media messages, and we look forward to working with you.
This course was funded by the U.S. Department of State, Bureau of Educational and Cultural Affairs, Office of English Language Programs.